2025 Hyundai Elantra, a comprehensive overview tartan in front wall logo. The 2025 Hyundai Elantra continues to set benchmarks in the compact sedan segment, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek design and advanced safety features. In this video, we'll delve into its main components and pricing, excluding the engine details. Exterior design. The Elantra's exterior showcases a bold front grille flanked by dynamic LED quad projector headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights. The sleek lines flow seamlessly to the rear, featuring stylish LED tail lamps that enhance its modern aesthetic. Available in colors like graphite gray, magnetic force, and polar white, the Elantra offers a palette that complements its design. Interior features. Step inside the Elantra to experience a driver-centric cockpit adorned with premium materials. The cabin offers ample space, ensuring comfort for both driver and passengers. Standard features include a multifunction steering wheel, automatic climate control, and customizable ambient lighting that sets the mood for any journey. Infotainment system. At the heart of the Elantra's dashboard lies an advanced infotainment system. A high-resolution touchscreen provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity on the go. Select trims offer a premium audio experience, elevating in-car entertainment to new heights. Safety and driver assistance. Hyundai prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Elantra is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety components include forward collision avoidance assist, detects potential collisions and applies brakes if necessary. Lane keeping assist, monitors lane markings and provides steering inputs to maintain lane position. Blind spot collision avoidance assist, alerts drivers to vehicles in blind spots during lane changes. Rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, warns of approaching traffic when reversing. These features work cohesively to enhance driver confidence and passenger safety. Pricing. In Pakistan, the 2025 Hyundai Elantra is available in multiple trims, each offering a unique set of features. GL variant, priced at PKR 6,407,242, this base model offers essential features suitable for daily commutes. GLS variant, at PKR 7,180,000, the GLS adds premium amenities for enhanced comfort and convenience. Hybrid variant, for those prioritizing fuel efficiency, the hybrid model is available at PKR 9,700,000. These prices reflect the ex-factory cost and may vary based on additional options and regional factors. Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai Elantra stands out with its harmonious blend of style, technology, and safety. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long drives, the Elantra promises a driving experience that's both engaging and secure. For a more in-depth visual review, check out the following video.